waves that peaceful tune on an island night under the moon. Island night under the moon. Ocean waves playing their tune. Feel that rhythm nice and slow. Let the island feeling flow. Island night, nothing to lose. Barefoot dancing to the groove. Underneath that silver moon, I could stay right here with you. There's music floating through the air, smiling faces everywhere. Guitar playing soft and sweet. Island rhythm moves our feet. No need to worry where we've been. Tonight we're living once again. Leave tomorrow for tomorrow. Tonight there's no room for sorrow. Island night under the moon. Ocean waves playing their tune. Feel that rhythm nice and slow. Let the island feeling flow. Island night, nothing to lose. Barefoot dancing to the groove. Underneath that silver moon, I could stay right here with you. Let the cool wind carry me. Let my heart run wild and free. From the mountains to the sea, this island night is home to me. And when the morning meets the blue, I'll still remember me and you. The sound of waves, that reggae tune, and our island night under the moon. Island night under the moon. Ocean waves playing their tune. Feel that rhythm nice and slow. Let the island feeling flow. Island night, nothing to lose. Barefoot dancing to the groove. Underneath that silver